What's up guys, it's me Geek. So now how to change the font and display size. Go to the setting on your Samsung Galaxy tab and go to display. Here you can easily change the screen. Click font and screen zoom. You can make like huge. Let's see huge. Huge is like this. You see huge. Let me go to small and let tiny text. Let us make text huge also. You see? Yeah. Let me put in the huge like this is okay. Here you could change the font you want. Cool Jazz. Okay, let me click OK. Come on. You see everything is like Cool Jazz right now. Isn't that cool? Yeah, isn't that cool? So yeah, it was me, Gmail. Subscribe. Bye.